Switching to a new phone on Cricket Wireless using eSIM is quick and straightforward. Start by making sure your new phone is unlocked and eSIM compatible by checking Cricket's supported device list. Before switching, back up your old phone so none of your data is lost. Then open the MyCricket app or log in on the Cricket website and generate a transfer QR code for your eSIM. On your new phone, go into Settings and scan the QR code on iPhone. Head to Settings, Cellular, add eSIM, and on Android, go to Settings, Network, and Internet, SIMs. This transfers your number, plan, and data in just a few minutes. Once the transfer is complete, remove the eSIM profile from your old phone to avoid any issues. If your Cricket Wireless eSIM ever deactivates because of a phone change or plan interruption, reactivation is just as easy. Open the MyCricket app, go to Account Settings, and choose Reactivate eSIM. Your phone's IMEI will be verified, and the eSIM is usually restored within minutes as long as your account is active and you have a stable internet connection. Transfers and reactivations are free, but it's still smart to keep an eye on data usage to avoid overages. Overall, eSIM makes switching phones far easier than dealing with physical SIM cards.